High above, in the cold silence of the vacuum, hangs one of humanity's greatest achievements, the Hubble Space Telescope, for 2 decades. It has served as our eye on the heavens, piercing the mists of time to witness the very dawn of creation. But by 2009, that eye was failing. At Launchpad 39A, Kennedy Space Center, the Space Shuttle Atlantis stood as the final hope. 7 explorers prepared for a perilous orbital dance, a repair mission deemed impossible, yet absolutely vital. This was STS-125, the final chapter for a legend. Countdown reaches 0, in an instant. The Florida stillness is shattered by the fury of 4 million pounds of thrust. Atlantis is no longer just a machine, it is a spear of fire, tearing through the atmosphere.
Water system armed. T-minus 10, 9.
The first 2 minutes are a brutal test of endurance. The solid rocket boosters consume thousands of tons of fuel every second, pinning the crew against their seats as they fight the crushing grip of gravity, as the sky fades from blue to a deep, bruised black. The boosters fall away, tumbling back to Earth like charred feathers, leaving Atlantis to carry the torch alone into the void. Eight and a half minutes into the flight, the storm of vibration ends, main engine cut off. In the blink of an eye, the concept of weight becomes foreign. The astronauts are now adrift, held only by the laws of physics at a dizzying altitude. Below them, the Earth reveals itself a fragile blue marble without borders. But their focus is upward. The external tank is jettisoned, leaving Atlantis cruising at an orbital velocity of 17,500 miles per hour. They are in the high frontier, orbiting further out than any space station, chasing a tiny speck of light we call Hubble. This mission is a surgical operation in a vacuum. At 350 miles above the sea, every movement is a gamble. The robotic arm must reach out and pluck the massive telescope from the void, nesting it into Atlantis's cargo bay. There, astronauts will perform grueling spacewalks, repairing sensitive instruments with hands restricted by the rigidity of pressurized suits. Failure is not just a technical setback. Failure would mean leaving humanity blind once more to the secrets of the cosmos. STS-125 was more than a repair mission. It was a declaration that human curiosity knows no bounds, as Atlantis finally released Hubble back into the embrace of the stars. The crew left behind more than just upgraded glass and sensors. They left a promise that as long as we keep looking up, the deepest mysteries of the universe will always be within our reach. Mission complete. The journey has only just begun. When Atlantis finally touched down, it left Hubble stronger, clearer, and ready to peer even deeper into our past. But the real legacy isn't the hardware we left behind. It's the perspective we brought back. We looked at the stars and saw ourselves small, brave, and infinitely curious. Now, as we look toward the next horizon, one question remains. If we can reach across the stars to fix a broken eye, why do we find it so hard to fix the world right here beneath our feet?